Have you been scammed by what might be the biggest mortgage fraud since the financial crisis? Remember this Super Bowl? If you were one of the 91 million who watched, you would have also seen this ad from UWM.
Who the heck is UWM?
It is United Wholesale Mortgage. They are a large mortgage company. When I see them, it's when mortgage brokers are using them. So mortgage brokers are supposed to shop rates and select a lender that's beneficial for their client. We see them consistently, United Wholesale Mortgage. I mean, we usually have several per week closing with United Wholesale Mortgage.
You go to a broker and UWM is used, and let's see what they're advertising so we can kind of see what's going on.
Here's where we believe the scam comes in. Say you live in North Carolina and select a broker who you think will get you the best deal. You go to her website and you see a video saying why you should go to an independent mortgage broker like her instead of a big bank.
So why get a personal shopper for your mortgage? Because you want an advocate. And choices. Lots of choices. Choices set up competition between lenders, and that's good for you.
So when I was watching the ad, my understanding was I was going to go to this website and I was going to select a broker. And then that broker was going to then find me the best loan I could find. And is that what's actually happening?
That is, in theory, what they're supposed to be doing. I don't walk through it with a lender, seeing the steps they are taking. Over the years, I did see a pretty good balance of like Fairway Mortgage, Rocket Mortgage, United Wholesale Mortgage, UWM.
Okay, so I got the impression watching the video that they were actually going out to other companies, but really it's just UWM they're going to use.
From that video I'm seeing, it seemed like unless 95% of the time UWM is better on the fees based on what the mortgage broker sees, I don't see what they're seeing. But what is being chosen is UWM by that mortgage broker.
So, and these are people who are actually supposedly lending the money, because we know in the real world, they don't actually lend the money for very long.